this problem, we're going to solve a system of equations by graphing. The equations are negative 2x plus y equals 4 and 10x plus 2y equals negative 6. So we only want to work with one thing at a time. Let's take that first line, negative 2y plus y equals 4, and solve for y. So zero in on the equal sign. Notice that the left side's heavy. Let's move the negative 2x by adding it to both sides, and bringing down the rest, we are going to write y equals 2x plus 4, keeping the mx plus b format, so that we can look at what we wrote and take the y-intercept off and put that on the graph at 0, 4, and then take a look at the slope. A slope of 2, you can place a 1 underneath, and you can go up 2 and write 1. So we're going to do that on our graph and place another point. We'd like to place a couple points so that we can see how far this line goes. So I'd like to go in the other direction, and in order to do that, I'm going to take that slope and make both of those numbers negative. It'll keep my slope positive, and it helps tell me what direction to go in. So I can go down 2 and left 1 and plot some more points. Go ahead and drop a few more points on that graph and draw the line through them. That's the first line. We're going to label that negative 2x plus y equals 4. Now let's plot that second line. So take the second line, we're going to solve for y, which includes looking at the equal sign, realizing we have to move the 10x by subtracting it, both sides. Write down your 2y equals negative 10x minus 6, keeping that x term first. And then we do have to divide by 2 in all 3 spots to get rid of the 2 in front of the y. And our final line is y equals negative 5x minus 3 when you do the division on the right hand side. So that's going to give us a y-intercept of 0, negative 3. Go ahead and place that on your graph and take a look at the slope. The negative 5, we can put a 1 under that, and that's telling us to go down 5 and right 1 to place another point. I do want to go in the other direction, so this time I'm going to take the negative from the top and put it on the bottom with the 1, and that's going to help me go up 5 and left 1. And if you notice on the graph, that runs us right into the other line, which is exactly what we wanted. So we're going to draw the second line and label it the 10x plus 2y equals negative 6. And then notice that the two lines intersect at negative 1, 2. Theoretically, this is the solution to our system. And we're just going to check that point in both original lines. They both check, so that point exists on both original lines, which tells us there is one solution. We can type that into a box if we're given a box to type it into, and that is how you would solve this system of equations.